Welcome back as we continue to track some of these storms rumbling across sections of the southeast. Right now we're looking in on Waycross, Georgia. At this moment there, you can clearly see some darker skies, the rain that has been falling there, rain showing up on the camera lens. We had a tornado warning here for the area about 40 miles north of here, which is in place there in Wayne County of Georgia right now. We'll be tracking that storm as well as others as we head through the rest of this morning and into our afternoon. So we're concerned here with that threat for the thunderstorms that could turn severe here from northern parts of Florida, the central areas as well, and then pushing up into the mid-Atlantic. So we have a pretty wide zone here from the mid-Atlantic down into Florida with that risk for some severe weather. Right now you can see the radar pretty lit up here with some of these storms here right around the Big Bend area of Florida, then moving across southeastern Georgia. Eastern South Carolina, pretty wet. Charleston, you're dealing with that, and we've been seeing some of this rain around the Outer Banks. But let's get a little bit closer to where we've got that warning that's in place right now in southeastern Georgia. There's Savannah right now. It's a loud time with some showers and thunderstorms. It's to your south and west. And for this part of the sort of line of thunderstorms that's moving its way now just to the south and the east of Jessup. So there's Jessup, and there's our storm that has prompted our tornado warning in Wayne County. And that's in effect for about another 15 minutes until 9:45. Doppler radar indicated rotation here with this particular storm as it's tracking on off towards the east, right around 45 miles per hour. Rotation showing up right in that general area, mostly over rural zones here in southeastern Georgia, but making a run and pushing closer and closer to 57. We'll keep an eye on that as it pushes its way eastbound. Here's a couple of cities that may be involved with this thing in the next several minutes. Heads up around the Townsend area. Now, you're not in the warning in Townsend, but at about 9:54, if this were to hold together, we'll be heading in your direction. And then just prior to the 10 o'clock hour, Jones will be dealing with this storm. So watch that area. If you're in those areas, make sure you're getting into your safe zone, and where that would be, lowest floor, sturdy structure, and away from the windows is where you want to be. This is all within a zone, though, that is within a tornado watch. Southeastern Georgia, Brunswick up towards Savannah, and then down into Florida, right along the Interstate 10 corridor down to the Gulf Coast. That watch is in effect until 1 o'clock, so conditions favorable for storms that could bring us some tornadoes. We got torn cloud values right now. They're right in the 2 to even 3 range. 3 for southeast Georgia, North Florida, and then also a 3 showing up here into the mid-Atlantic.